Yo, before we start the video, I just want to say, make sure you are subscribed with the push notifications on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And for a shout out, make sure you like the video. Make sure you are already subscribed. And comment done when you are done. What's poppin', Fox Squad? If you're new here, that's the Mexican, I'm Preston, and you are in for a treat. But if you are not new here, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching my videos lately. You've kind of skyrocketed my watch time, and I just want to say thank you again. But let's keep that streak up. Let's keep watching my videos all the way through. And tell your friends, your family, and even your enemies about this channel. What the fuck? What? So, with that said, what's poppin', everyone? We're going to Slum D right now. Well, not right now, but we gotta go down by the mall, then Slum D. I should probably stop calling it that, but shut up. I don't have anything planned, so today's all on a whim, and I hate days like that because I never know if I'm going to have enough footage for the day on days when I do that. So let's get started. Let's go get some food because I'm starving, as you can tell. I'm withering away, man. I'm withering away. I gotta get some food. I feel a lot better. We got food. And actually, in Watkins Glen,
nice.
The McDonald's inside of the Walmart has this really good deal.
Huh?
$12.99 for 2 Big Macs, a 20-piece nugget, and 2 large fries.
All he had to do was just...
It's actually not a bad deal, because all that would probably equal out to about 25 bucks.
Right as we were walking out of McDonald's.
This Mexican's really annoying.
And the one...
That got her to shut up.
I'm gonna punch you in your face.
What?
As we were walking out of the McDonald's and Walmart, they walked in.
Just a bunch of drama. Kinda like your mom. Oh, I pissed her off.
Oh,
I love doing that. I'll catch you guys later. Probably at her parents' house. So I'll catch you there. Peace for now. Well, as we speak, we are leaving Dundee. Wow. So, with that said, still haven't decided what we're doing yet. But I can definitely tell you one thing. I forgot what I was going to say. Great. But because this is early in the video still, and I don't have anything for content, still trying to decide what to do. Too cold to do a lot of stuff. Fun fact about living in New York, don't do it. I honestly hate it. I've lived here my whole life. Well, can't say that. For a little while I lived in PA, just over the border of New York. That was like four years, I think. That was when I was really little, so I didn't really have a choice. But we're on 226 going towards Savona, so we'll probably... I don't know yet. I gotta text him, so I'll catch you guys when I'm done texting. Now we are waiting for Zach to get to Walmart so we can make another bird food fort. That's right, it's another fort video. Because it is Fort Friday. Just kidding, that's J Stu. J Stu does a fort every Friday. Every Friday. So, assuming how they do a fort every Friday, I feel out of respect, we shouldn't do a fort video every Friday, just whenever we have nothing else to do. Which, that's generally what it is. If we don't have anything else we can do for the day, we generally go to a store and make a fort. Unless we create an entire day based around forts, that's generally what we do. I never put 2 and 2 together on that. So if it's a fort video, it's probably because we had nothing else to do. But our fort videos are pretty good. I will admit that. Last time we prank called somebody inside of the fort, but my phone was too dead to record it, so I never got to record that. So, let's go have fun. Today's Friday, right, Zach?
Hell yeah.
And you know what Jay Stu does on Fridays?
No clue. Wait, what?
Jay Stu, the fort people?
Oh, they must be building a fort today then.
Today's Friday, so today's Fort Friday. Let's
Yep.
do it!
Georgie! Georgie, you want alone? Let's play a game.
Tinseltown, fuck you!
Oh, hey! Why don't you tell him what we just realized?
There's a bunch of fucking 12-year-olds following us!
It's weird!
Tinseltown, go
And they're recording us. I'm sorry, but that's my job to record us.
back to kindergarten. Yo, these are bitches. Yo, I've always wanted to do this. I'm gonna buy these. I'm just gonna smack somebody with them. I've always wanted to do this.
Why?
When babe wants a kiss.
I get the story.
Oh, good kiss.
Hold on, I can sell that. If you want more, just send $19.99 to this address down below.
And then I'll meet you at your door and chop off your nuts. No, you ever seen that one movie where they're walking and there's a pigeons in, but they need the pigeons to fly up in the air?
No.
So they do this. This is a fucking monster umbrella, bro. Look at this. You could just sit it here.
Dude, the entire track team for Camp El Savona could have sat over here.
You know, the funny thing is though, you ever seen Kingsman? If they only
no.
had this umbrella, they could have literally made it a freaking full body shield. Because it's a bulletproof.
Let's figure out where you're doing your fort.
Alright, that's what our fort looks like so far. I gotta be quiet because there's an employee right over there. And now it's about time we go in. Alright, I'm in the fort. Zach is not. I'm laying down. This would be perfect for a 24-hour challenge. Hey, get off my bird food. How many? How many? I think he said 3. How many? How many employees? 3. Why so many? I don't know. What the hell? Well, that's not good. There is a manager who's looking at our little fort deal. They're asking when are we gonna leave? Right? Okay, we fortified it just a little bit more. We made it a little bit more soundproof. All this, we kept stuffing. I mean, there's some yeah.
Attention, Associate Scout, Rossi, 2 pads, please. Rossi, 2 pads.
That's okay. So, with that said, we can actually talk and nobody will even know we're in here.
Kind of. We can talk like this. Well, if we talk like this, no one said no.
Exactly.
But if we start talking like this,
Like this.
everybody get know.
And that's that's gonna be the vlog, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed that Fort Friday. Even though Fort Friday is more J Stew. But if you haven't checked them guys out, go check them out. They're actually really good. But this was our version of Fort Friday, even though it was on a whim, and basically because we needed content. Simple as that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did. I know Zach did. And now I know I'm going to eat. So, why don't you do me a favor and get like this close to your screen right now for me. Are you there? Okay, now watch this. Wasn't that funny? I probably just scared you. I hope I scared you. Because if not, that was a waste of my editing time. So, I'm going to eat. You guys are going to watch another one of my videos. Or, I'm not strong in the force. So, you will watch another video. You won't watch Jake Paul. Just kidding, I like him. I used to. He's gone downhill lately. But, I'm getting off topic. I love you guys. I will catch y'all tomorrow because, well, I post something every single day. It's true. I do. I love you guys. Take it easy, fam. Oh, and remember, if you're not a part of the Fox Squad, you suck. You can unsuck by hitting that subscribe button down below. Love you guys. Deuces. Just a quick reminder to everybody who's subbed and even not subbed, tell your friends, tell your family, even tell your enemies about this channel. That way we can kick it off and start getting some subs going. Because you never know. We might be the next Logan Paul. Peace out.